I've been walking for so long, trying to find a place where I belong. Everybody sees me moving on, but nobody knows what I'm running from. If there's still a light waiting somewhere, take me home. Yeah. I grew up with a dream and a heart full of scars, looking at the sky, wondering where we are. I learned how to smile when I wanted to cry, said I'm okay while I questioned my life. I've walked through streets that never knew my name, chasing little dreams through the cold and rain. People came and left, some memories stayed, some promises disappeared, some never got made. I remember those days when life felt small, a little room, old dreams written on the wall. We didn't have much, but somehow we had enough. A little bit of love made the hardest days soft. Now I'm older, but I still feel that child, lost somewhere inside these crowded miles. I've seen the world, but something feels wrong. Maybe home was the place I belonged all along. And if you hear me calling through the night, if you see me searching for a light, I don't need a place with everything, I just need somewhere I can breathe. Take me home, where my heart still knows my name. Take me home, where the memories remain. I carry old pictures inside of my mind, moments I can't touch, but I visit sometimes. That road, that house, those nights under stars before life got complicated and pulled us apart. I remember voices calling me in, telling me tomorrow was another chance to begin. Back then I never understood what it meant, now I give anything for one more moment. I thought being strong meant never looking back, so I buried my feelings and stayed on the track. But the farther I go, the louder they become. Memories of where I started, memories of where I'm from. I've made mistakes, yeah, I carry my share. Sometimes I felt like nobody cared, but somewhere deep beneath everything I've known, it's still saying you're not alone. And if you hear me calling through the night, if you see me searching for a light, I don't need a place with everything, I just need somewhere I can breathe. Take me home, where my heart still knows my name. Take me home, where the memories remain. I've been running, I've been lost for way too long, trying to be strong when I knew I was wrong. Take me home, I don't need a perfect place, just a little piece, just a familiar face. If I've gone too far, help me find my way. Take me home today. Maybe home isn't just a house, maybe home is who you miss. Maybe it's the voice that tells you you still belong somewhere. So I'm putting down the weight I carry, I'm letting go of yesterday. If there's a road that leads me back, I'm ready to take that way. Yeah, I don't need the lights, I don't need the fame, I don't need the world to remember my name. I just want a place where I can be myself, where I don't have to hide everything I felt. If tomorrow comes and I'm still on this road, I'll keep moving forward with this heavy load. But if I ever lose myself again in the unknown, I'll follow that feeling and let it take me home. Take me home, I'm ready to go. Yeah, I may have walked 1,000 roads, but my heart always knew where home was. Take